Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create your own sticker on TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. By creating your own sticker, you can add a personal touch to your TikTok videos. Whether it's a unique design, a custom logo, or a signature style, having your own sticker can help distinguish your content and make it more memorable to viewers. Now, once you are on your TikTok dashboard, I need you to click on the Create a New Set. Basically, you can upload or drag and drop the file here. You can choose, it could be static, animated. You can upload thumb file or upload sticker file, and that's going to be GIF, APNG, and WebP. You can also upload a thumbnail file, which is PNG or JPEG. Now, what I'm going to do is drag and drop the file here. Now, once you have done that, basically you can, of course, create your sticker name. Right? Hover to dark mode, set sticker name. All right, and from here, we are going to name it as Andy Guide. Andy Guide sticker. Yeah, there you go. Add its name and save it as draft. And from here, you can use that sticker whenever you post a video here in TikTok, the web version. Now, let's try to use the TikTok app on a mobile device and how to create our own sticker from there. Now, from here, all I have to do is hover to the live section and create your video. And click on this sticker. Now, once you are on this sticker, I need you to click on the recommended. There's gonna be like a small picture with a plus button. I need you to click on it beside the mention, all right, and upload a photo for that, and that's gonna be your background sticker, all right, or your sticker for your background. And you see the option to upload to remove background. I need you to click on that, and what will happen is, you see, the AI is actually removing your background for now and retaining the picture. All right, let's try another photo. If you're happy with that, click on OK. And I'm gonna try another photo, right? I'm gonna hit the sticker again and click the upload button. Now in here, click the upload to remove background. And once you're happy with that, click on OK. And now post the video by putting your own sticker. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.